The best feature about the garland hanger is that it is designed to be installed into your door without causing any damage. These pads are designed to grip the door frame using strong outward pressure. They are made from a material that will leave no marks or scuffs on your door frame. This product is easy to install. The first thing that you need to do is adjust the length to fit the width of your door. You do this by removing the pins on both sides and moving the inner piece so that it fits the size of your door. Make sure that you adjust both sides equally and replace the pins. The wings on each side can be adjusted using an Allen wrench. From the bottom, you can loosen the bolt with the Allen wrench to move your wings however far you need to get them away from the wall. This is especially handy if you're installing your door hanger close to a corner. The garland hanger hinges from a center bolt. It makes it easy to install this way. Once you have the hanger in place, using one hand to hold it and keep it there, use your other hand to install the bottom bolt so that it will lock it in place and keep it from folding. Once your hanger is installed, you'll want to tighten the bolt here on the end. This gets it extra tight and secure. The final step in installing your garland hanger is to tighten the bolts on the back side of the hanger using the Allen wrench. These bolts give it extra stability. Now that your garland hanger is installed, give it a tug to make sure that it is as secure as you need it to be. Then install your garland. Once you have adjusted your hanger to the size of your door, you'll never have to adjust it again.